Hey, your friend, and welcome to this video review of Business in a Weekend by Marcel Fernandes. Today, I'm going to be discussing about this program. So, I'm very certain that you might have heard about it. As you can see, the new on-stream system got me out of debt and into the life of my dreams. Okay, so Marcel Fernandes, I spent my time watching this video. Just reconnecting by yourself. Okay, so this guy went ahead, talking about how he got started and also what came to his rescue and all these are whole marketing strategies just to get people to sign up and register for his program and probably buy his coaching program. Okay, so there is not much on his page here. It's just a video which is explaining exactly how you can just make sure that you buy his program. Now, what is this all about? The business in the weekend is it's a business whereby you do a charting job, okay, by connecting businesses who need marketing services with the service provider. Okay, so it's more like you're an intermediary, okay, between businesses out there that need marketing services and freelancers who we execute the marketing service for them. Okay, so that is why he talked about you going ahead to do just a Google search job, okay, charting jobs. Okay, so now the price of this program is $97, okay, so that is the price, although it's very low, okay, compared to several tickets offers out there. $97, it's something that a whole lot of people can still risk out. All right, but I'm certain that you just want to be sure if this guy is a scam or not or whatever. Now, the first drawback, okay, the first drawback in my opinion, which I see about Marcel, is the fact that he shows a lot of Rolex, all these blinks and the cars and everything, just to get you enticed to his program, okay, to his type of business. Now, this is normal, okay, not even to his type of business, to his program, to you buying his program. Now, this is how these gurus behave, okay. So when you see all the blinks and all that, it gets you to stay glued, okay, because even in this video there is no way whereby he actually show the results or or what is happening. Okay, the only thing I can only see is just him showing the blinks and talking about how his life was kind of horrible from the beginning, and talking about his family and just telling stories. Okay, so those things are marketing tricks, all right, just to get people to buy. All right, and the first thing is that I think the bro is a real marketer, right? Because he claims that his business needs more people to join, and that he doesn't, it's not a saturated business. Now, this type of business is saying it's very much common on LinkedIn. You see a lot of people on LinkedIn, pitching businesses and pitching CEOs, marketing managers. Those are the people that search for on LinkedIn, and they pitch them, telling them, oh, I can do the service for you. I've got a whole lot of guys even doing that. So him saying that it's not saturated, it's just marketing trick, okay, because it's a business also that is saturated. All right, a lot of people are into these already, using LinkedIn, Instagram, mostly LinkedIn. All right, they go to LinkedIn, they look for businesses that they can pitch, and they give the task out to freelancers. All right, so there is no business that is not yet saturated. Okay, so the only thing that you just have to know is that you need to find your own angle. Okay, you need to have an angle whereby you used to scale through in that business. So him saying that they need more people to join, and that is why he's selling his course. Okay, because that is what he said, like, oh, in case you're wondering why I am selling my course and not actually making money from what I'm doing, like, that is what he said. Actually, I'm just kind of quoting him. He said he's doing this because they need more people to join his business, because they have less people to execute the task. Well, that is not completely true. Okay, and also he also said once he gets 5 to 10 people to join, he's gonna take down this video. But this video has been in existence now for probably months or years, and it's still there. I'm certain that he has gotten more than 5 to 10 people already. Okay, so that is another marketing trick right there. So normally I don't like stuff like that, whereby you just you know you trying to over promise. All right, so he said he's gonna take the video down, but the video is still there. Now, the cost is relatively cheap compared to other programs out there, for real, because you just pay $97. It's kind of cool, for you to risk out, but the guy's marketing trick is too much. So somebody telling you that it's gonna take the video down once he gets 5 to 10 people, and the video is still there, and also saying the business is not saturated and all that, then you need to know that even in the cost, a whole lot of lies might be inside also, right? And also, just like I said, Marcel is good at marketing for real. So his selling method is using the numbers game strategy. Okay, so instead of this guy selling, maybe one product to one person to make $10,000, right here is doing the numbers game of using set $97 to sell to 100 persons to reach $10,000. So if my mathematics is correct, but that is just how this guy's game works, and it's really working for him because he has he kind of have this good marketing strategy. Okay. Now another thing is just okay, I think I've talked about this. Him telling you that the market is not saturated. It is saturated, okay, and a lot of people he's doing this. I know a whole lot of guys, even from several countries, not only the tier 1 countries, not the United States alone. A lot of guys, okay, from several third world countries and all that, they are doing this. Okay, that is why they you know it's very saturated. Okay, and also, can you cope with your social media accounts getting shut down? Okay, that's it. Okay, because when you're doing this, you're pitching businesses. Okay, it's the chatting job. You're chatting businesses, telling them, oh, you can do this, you can do that, even though you can't. Okay, and you get proof. Okay, online, maybe you go to other freelancing sites, Upwork, Fiverr, freelance.com, and you get proof. Okay, even though it doesn't belong to you, then you can show them, oh, this is what I've done, and all that. The ones that give you the task, you then take your own profit, and you give the rest to the freelancer who execute the task. So maybe, for example, you promise someone that, okay, I can create a video ad for you. I mean, you promise the business that, oh, you can create a business video advert for them, and at the end, maybe you charge them $500. And now remember, this is just an estimate, like this is just me guessing. All right, so you charge them $500, and you pay, maybe the freelancer $300, and you pocket $200, or maybe you pay the freelancer $250 and you pocket $250. So that is just how this works. Okay. Now, one thing you need to know is that this is not really suitable for, if you have your 9 to 5 job. And in case you wonder why, well, the reason is because you need to pitch businesses. And one thing you need to know is that you're gonna be pitching a whole lot of business. Some people even, report your account. Okay, they're gonna report your account a whole lot of time. So sometimes you might even get frustrated by the time your account gets shut down immediately and you've not even gotten any client, because this thing is already getting casted also. Okay, most of these businesses out there are being pitched, and they are now tools that people now use to quickly get businesses. Okay, on LinkedIn, on wherever, even on Instagram. Okay, they are now tools that people now use. Okay, so that is what you have to know. Okay? Even if you're using Instagram, there are tools. Okay, there are people doing this a whole lot of time. All right, and you need to be there all the time. If you have your 9 to 5 job and you come back by 6, you have to. When will you even have time for your family? All right, so it's not about even making money. It's about doing something that you can automate down, how you can have time for your family. So that is the kind of business you should go into. All right, not a business whereby you have to keep pitching and pitching all the time, and for a whole week you might not even get a client because you're getting a whole lot of no. All right, now that is not easy because you're getting no, no, no all the time. Not even ordinary no, but them even reporting your account. That is crazy. All right, that is real crazy. All right. Right here in this video, Marcel talked about this business being better than affiliate marketing. For me, I don't see how this is better than affiliate marketing. And he said affiliate marketing is saturated. And him saying dropshipping and affiliate marketing, e-commerce, they're saturated. It's normal. Okay, a lot of people are into affiliate marketing, but the fact is that a lot of people are making money daily with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is not about you pitching businesses and inviting people to your company. No, this is about somebody having a product to sell and you're selling on their behalf. All right, so you only need a traffic source with affiliate marketing, and once you have a traffic source, you are good to go. All right, completely good to go. This is still much better for a 9 to 5 person. Okay, now don't get me wrong, if you do not have a 9 to 5 job, maybe you are at home. Okay, you have the time, you can go ahead and give this guy a try. Although the way it speaks, it has a sweet mouth. Right, it's just all about money. Okay, he's making a whole lot of money just from selling his cost, because his marketing tricks, it's more of all these stuff I've read in several books. Okay, to teach people how to sell. So that is what he's using story method to get people to buy his product. So I mean, to buy his course. All right, So that is it. But you might give them a try, okay, if you have the time. But if you have your 9 to 5 job, you do not have the time, then I would suggest a business you can automate down. All right. Now, dropshipping is not the kind of business you can just automate down and just leave, because you need to monitor your sales. You need to look at how things are going. All right. I'm not saying it's bad, but you need to. There are a lot of things. But affiliate marketing is a business whereby you can automate it down. You know, once you automate it down, it keeps going because you're not even in charge of the sales. All you need to do is just send traffic, and once you send your traffic through your referral link, and the traffic buys, the person whom you're partnering with closes the sales and do everything. So you are not the one, in charge of closing the customer or doing whatever. No, all right. Affiliate marketing is a business that it's very good for a 9 to 5 job person. Okay, even if you're using email marketing for your affiliate, if you're using email to do your affiliate marketing, you can automate down your email for days. Okay, you can automate it down and it keeps sending to your audience, and they keep on buying. Okay, so this is more business that the 9 to 5 person can do, and you just keep seeing alert, your credit alert, or your email of, well, you just made a sale coming in all the time. Okay, and this is the kind of business, because you're making money while you're sleeping, you're making money while you are at your 9 to 5 job. All right, so now that is the kind of business I'm into, affiliate marketing. And that is why I do not support it. Saying affiliate marketing is not a good recommendation and this one is best, and also affiliate marketing you need a whole lot of money. No, you do not need a whole lot of money. You can even start affiliate marketing with zero capital. Okay, yeah, you can start. It's even better that you start with zero capital than you going to spend ads, because when you start for free, it helps you to learn more. Okay, and the fact is that although it's not rocket science, within a couple of months, okay, you can start getting results with affiliate marketing. Now, some people get results weeks, but I always say months. Okay, so because it's a business, it's not just something where you plug how you play. All right, no, you need to plug with a little bit of time, learn the process, familiarize with it, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, maybe you want to learn more about how affiliate marketing works, you can click the link in the video description or check the screen. You can see a link there. You can use it to take advantage from my mentor. I do not have any course. I don't sell courses. Okay, like I don't have my own personal course. You can use it to learn more about affiliate marketing, or you can shoot me an email on the screen. You can see my email there. You can ask me questions about affiliate marketing if you have a 9 to 5 job and you're willing to know how it goes. Or possibly you can also click the link in the video description or the screen, and you can pass through the link to learn from my mentor. Okay, I have a mentor, okay, to learn from him. Or if you want to ask me some questions first before you taking advantage of anything, I'm open whenever I'm free. Okay, because too many messages also, I might not be able to reply all, but it's fine. And you can use the link to reach out, and I'll try as much as possible to get back to you. But I would suggest you click the link, go straight, learn from my mentor. And everyone who I've recommended to my mentor, they never regretted it. And I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos. And thank you very much. I hope this has been able to help you reason well before you go ahead and make decisions to purchase Marcel's program. All right, so thank you very much. I'll see you in some other video reviews. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.